Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be working on Billy's AP2, replacing the cabin air filter. It's pretty simple install and pretty simple to get to. You just need one little tool, and I'll show you in a second. 3/16 socket, 1/4 inch, and I'll show you later on when we're ready to remove it, the cowl, how to use this tool. As I mentioned earlier, we're using a 3/16 1/4 inch socket, and this is used to put on the clips underneath the cowl, the windshield cowl, and you only got to remove about 3 of them to access the cabin filter, which is under this. So this is what I'm going to do. You put this on top of the clip, and this one's going to be hard to see, but you'll hear click, boom, that's all. And what it is you insert it on so it squeezes the tab so this pops out. And you only got to remove 3, and then you lift this up, and the cabin filter is right here, as you can see. There you are. Alright, so as you can see, this is the old one, and that's the new filter. This is the OEM Honda part number for you who have AP1, AP2, and the filter is actually lodged into this plastic piece right here. So what you want to do is flip it over, and there's 3 tabs that you're going to remove or push back and push the filter forward like so. Where it says Honda right here, that's going to just plop right up. This is the bottom side of the plastic housing, so you just push it in like so. Make sure these are all clipped in. We're going to insert it back. And it just sits right in. And you're just gonna, in reverse order, push these little clips back in, and you're done. That's the cabin filter replacement on an AP2. So we just finished the cabin air filter installation. Removed the old one. You know, it's under the windshield cowl. So yeah, I hope you like the install. I mean, it's a fairly simple install, took about 5 minutes, but if you have any other questions, any videos you'd like to see, whatever we do to our cars, we're going to be recording, we're going to be putting it on our channel. So yeah, just hope you like it, hope to help one of you guys out. Follow us on Instagram at the S2K Guide. Come see us.